Hey guys, so welcome back to Unifoods. This is the first episode of a series called FRISKY Fridays. I'm David Gill and I'm joined here by...
I'm Nsieyanji. Big fan of David's cooking skills, so thought I'd come down and show me a little 1-2-1-2.
Yes, so Will's from Newcastle University and I'm from Manchester University.
Yeah, and I'm also on YouTube. You can find a link to my channel. It'll be there somewhere.
So today we're going to be making my favourite type of omelette. I'm going to be instructing Will.
David claims apparently he knows how to make nutritious food very quickly, and I'm a busy man. I need fast recipes. How fast will this be about?
I reckon you're looking at about 20 minutes.
20 minutes?
And it's a perfect meal for two. That's
okay.
Day night.
Oh.
So first, I'm going to need to put the 3 egg whites and yolks in that bowl, and then whisk it. So, fully mix.
I know how it works. I can whisk this fully. It's gonna be these eggs. They're not very with the wrist spinner 3000. This is pretty beaten.
Right, so you're going to just put that to the side.
So I'll come back to you later.
And now we're going to move on to this bowl of frozen peas and green beans, which I've let defrost. It's about a handful. Add a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of olive oil.
Olive oil. Okay. Every time someone uses olive oil instead of regular oil, I'm like, this is bougie. Because if sunflower oil won't suffice, it must be something special.
So I need you to mush that up.
Mush it, okay.
Yeah, like just squash it. Ideally, what you'd use is a pestle and mortar, but this
the average student doesn't buy a pestle.
I mean, we've got one, but
oh, sorry.
This isn't.
No, but yeah, it does. The spoon and the bowl does the job.
Spoon wasn't very efficient, so I'm just getting all hands here.
Yeah, don't get afraid to get your hands a bit dirty, folks. Because sometimes don't know you can get the job done.
Just a generous but economical portion.
Generous but economical portion. Now, see, that is my middle name. Generous and economical.
Keep going.
That feels nice and generous.
And just give that a nice mix.
I'm gonna go with 2 utensils here. I'll go to town on this pesto because sometimes it doesn't behave correctly.
So while Will's doing this, I'm just gonna put our frying pan on low heat on the hob with olive oil inside.
The bougie oil.
I just want you to add 1 spoonful of that to the eggs. So now what I want you to do is you're going to transfer the eggs to the pan. Still below medium, I'd say. Let's take it to high low heat.
Yeah, he's got it at gas mark 4.
Low heat. Okay, so we'll get back to you when this starts to cook a bit more. I was just adding the remaining homemade pesto to the partially cooked omelette. You notice we've used quite a small pan. What this is going to do is going to create a much thicker omelette.
Now see, the other thing is obviously because this is, when you're doing it, you're not doing it for an audience, so your shit's not going to be prepared, so
Yeah, the pressure's on right now. If we mess up, I say it's Will's fault because he's doing it. That's why I get the guests
to cook.
So we're just going to get a little bit of lemon zest here.
ASMR.
Maybe we should just make this entire video just a podcast of the recipe. Yeah, sounds like it. actual lemon juice. You just want to squeeze all that out.
Nice and lovely. Got the juice coming in. Yes. Sizzling, it's crackling. Oh yes. Gordon Ramsay. I'm ready to be on Hell's Kitchen, as you can see.
It's going to take longer to cook than a regular omelette, but it's going to taste better.
Well, it's time to add some feta cheese. Like, you know, add some flair to, you know, salt they did teach me nothing.
Bit of a mess there.
Just I should just do it the normal way. Use salt and pepper because obviously Unifoods is the creator is a white guy. But you know, any Africans watching, don't hesitate to use a bit of Maggi cube, curry powder, you know, spice the thing up nicely to your own taste. But we're gonna keep it traditional.
Simple.
A bit of salt and pepper.
Wait for that to fully cook now. When it's not looking so liquidy, you're going to want to flip it over and let it cook on the other side as well, because that's going to melt the feta cheese.
It actually smells gorgeous, no word of a lie. No word of a lie. Because obviously it's time to be flipped. You know, David doubts man's text, but...
Ooh.
But they didn't tell him, I did food test.
Now, have you noticed, it does look quite brown bun, but we're going for more of like a frittata omelette. So it's going to create like a cakey feel to it.
Okay.
Yeah. Now this, you could serve this on its own. You could have side of chips or fries, same thing, or salad. Do you have any suggestions? What do you go for with your omelettes?
I feel like that would go well with bread. Like,
yeah, you could make an eggy sandwich.
Yeah, like an eggy sandwich.
Very classic eggy sandwich. This isn't just...
Yeah, this is a classic eggy sandwich, yeah.
Gonna leave that on there for another 2-3 minutes. Give it a quick try.
Quick try, see what the recipe's made of.
Good texture.
Nice texture. Feta cheese adds a nice little cheesy little 1-2-1-2.
Chewy, bit chewy as well. Feta's better than cheddar, because cheddar would just melt. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you've learned something. Have you learned something today, Will?
I learned how to make this fancy omelette.
Yeah.
I could probably modify it, but you know, add like some bacon or something. Not bacon, you know. A bit of meat.
For you non-vegan watchers, which it says bottom of the jar too.
He's not answered the question, you know.
And thank you, Will, for joining me today.
Oh, my
and
pleasure.
helping me out. Please like, share and comment on the video. Any recipes you'd like us to try or ingredients you've got lying about which you don't know what to do with. Maybe we can think of something. Need to close that door.